So shooting?
Shooting.
How's it going, guys? This is my FD. So, plan is I want to retire the S15. I've had my fun on it. Prices are getting really, really expensive, and I picked this FD shell up a couple of years ago and decided that it's going to be the drift car. Big plans for it.
What's the biggest catch of this car?
Biggest catch of the car is that it's got a MX5 engine on it.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
So, picked up an engine. Actually picked up a parts car and stripped it, and then
Wait, I think we should show people
what's left of the parts car.
your parts car and where the S15 lives.
So that's what's left of the MX5, which is pretty much nothing. Anybody want to buy more parts? They are for sale. So the S15 lives in the back garden now. Don't look behind it because it's like a mess out here.
And this will look like this. Oh, no. This is going to look like this soon.
Don't say that. Yeah, so this is my car home. This is my wee garage that I built a while ago, and then just started building cars in. Done a lot of work for the S15 in here.
This is also an orphanage for wheels.
Yeah.
John's got decorative wheels on the wall.
Wheels everywhere. Little 3s, Minervas, VSKFs, hiding in the corner. Nice fishy boy.
How many sets have you got in here, you reckon?
4 sets of wheels, I think. No, actually.
4 sets of drifty wheels?
3 sets of wheels. I have actually have 4 sets of 2 sets of Minervas, and I have 2 sets of Blitz 03s, and I have a full set of VSKFs. So
And there's also
I have
Land Cruiser wheels. More Land Cruiser wheels.
Land Cruiser wheels everywhere. Yeah, so I'm a bit of a wheel whore.
So what's the plan with the engine then?
So plan for the car is it's going to get a built bottom end. So we're going to put forged rods in from our sponsor, Max Fitting Rods.
Our sponsor has kindly given us no discount code. It's not actually our sponsor.
It's not actually our sponsor. Purchased a Link G4X from G Sports, Gavin at G Sports, and some ARP head studs. It's going to get a Pulsar GTX 2860 Gen 2 turbo. What else? Burns, all sort of refresh bottom end. It'll get burns, all gaskets set, anything that needs replaced. It'll get a water pump, 10mm belt, just a revamp, piston rings as well. So.
And what Luke doesn't know is some episode, I don't know what episode it's going to be. Luke's going to be on the next episode, rebuilding.
Yeah, next episode will be Luke rebuilding the engine.
Yep.
Doesn't know it yet. Yeah, but this is my FD build. It'll get a full respray, engine bay. It's going to be getting spicy stuff done to it because I love spicy stuff.
Yeah, boy.
Don't like hot food, but I like spicy. Tummy issues. I'll make it a nice race car.
And to the RX7 guys out there, what do you think of that?
Is it great or do you hate?
So John's cut this perfectly good shell up.
I'll just lift the engine or the car up off the engine, so sure nothing falls. But as you can see, I have cut out the bulkhead so that the engine can sit so far back, because I was doing a bit of research, and the best way, well, being lazy, to be quite honest. I didn't want to make my own subframe, so with weight distribution and stuff like that there, the further back the engine sits, it'll handle a lot better. So but my idea was cut the bulkhead and have the engine sit far back, so that it'll give me loads of room here for activities and drive nice.
And John's been doing welding classes.
Yeah, so
There's going to be some tasty fabrication on this.
there's going to be some bird shit everywhere.
What sort of horsepower you reckon you're going to be putting out?
So with turbo and sort of partly built bottom end, it should see me around sort of 350, 360 brake,
That's pretty good.
hopefully.
So the stock FD, I think it's like 260 or something like that, maybe
I think
280.
they're 247. I think they were 247, 250, about 250 brake, because I think they were in a class the same as the S15 and the Supra and all that sort of thing. So they were all built to be kind of equal, an equal playing field for whenever they were being sold, obviously.
So this is going to be pretty good seat time stallion.
So it's fully stripped at the minute. I've got a bolt-in key. I've always loved the D1 style, drift style. So it's pretty stripped. It'll all get painted in here.
Who's gonna paint it for you? You know a painter, do you?
Maybe Mr. Skillful and yeah, will help me out on that one. But yeah, this should be a cool build. Can't wait to get it done.
And there's speed holes.
Speed holes are everywhere. So yeah, hey, get away from my holes.
So they're gonna do a full YouTube series on this.
Yeah, we'll do a good wee YouTube build on it and just take you guys along and see what you think. It'll be running a stock tank. I'll do all new fuel lines and stuff on it, and I'm not going to give too much away because I want to just keep you keen, keep you coming back to watch more.
Treat the main.
Yep,
Keep them keen.
keep them keen.
So I came over to start the vlog process, and John thought he was going to do some work.
Yeah, thought I was going to get a bit of work done tonight. Was hoping to maybe get a bit of headway on this bulkhead. Might still start doing a bit of grinding, I don't know, I'm a bit tired like. But yeah, this is my build. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. That's us now.